Hello everyone, welcome back to the HSE Coach. Today we are going to discuss one of the most fundamental topic in lifting operations. What is a crane and what are the different types of cranes? Whether you are preparing for a safety officer interview, working as a rigger, crane operator, lifting supervisor or simply starting your career in the constructions or oil and gas industry, understanding cranes is absolutely essential. In today's video, we will learn what a crane is, why cranes are used, the main parts of a crane, the different types of cranes, where each type is used, and some important crane safety tips. So let's get started. First of all, let's understand what a crane is. A crane is a machine used to lift, lower, and move heavy loads from one place to another using wire ropes, chains, hooks, and lifting accessories. A crane allows us to lift loads that cannot be handled manually. In simple words, a crane makes heavy lifting safe, faster, and more efficient. Today, cranes are widely used in construction projects, oil and gas plants, refineries, power plants, shipyards, warehouses, factories, ports, and infrastructure projects. Without cranes, many industrial projects would be almost impossible to complete. Now let's understand the basic parts of a crane. Although different cranes have different designs, most cranes include these main components. The first is the boom. The boom is the main lifting arm of the crane. It supports the load and determines the lifting height and working radius. The second component is the hook block. The hook block carries the hook used to connect the load. The third component is the wire rope. The wire rope raises and lowers the load safely. The fourth component is the hoist drum. The drum winds and upwind the wire rope during lifting operations. The fifth component is the counterweight. Counterweight balances the cranes and prevents it from tipping over during lifting. The sixth component is the operator's cabin. This is where the crane operator controls all crane movement. On mobile cranes, another important component is the outriggers. Outrigger provides additional stability while lifting heavy loads. Now let's understand the different types of a crane. There are many types of crane used in industry, but today we will discuss the most common one. The first type is mobile crane. As the name suggests, a mobile crane can travel from one location to another. It is mounted on wheels and can be quickly transported to different job sites. Mobile cranes are widely used in construction, maintenance work, equipment installations, and general lifting operations. One of the biggest advantages of a mobile crane is its flexibility and quick setup. The second type is crawler crane. A crawler crane moves on steel tracks instead of wheels. Because of its tracks, it provides excellent stability, especially on soft or uneven ground. Crawler cranes can lift extremely heavy loads and are commonly used in large construction projects, bridges, refineries, and power plants. Unlike mobile cranes, crawler cranes usually travel slowly and often require transportations between projects. The third type is tower crane. Tower cranes are commonly seen on high-rise building projects. These cranes are fixed to the ground or attached to the building structure. Tower cranes provide excellent lifting height and long working range, making them ideal for skyscrapers and multi-story construction projects. The fourth type is overhead crane, also known as bridge crane. These cranes operate on rails installed inside factories, workshops, warehouses, and manufacturing plant. Instead of moving on the ground, they travel overhead, allowing materials to be lifted and move safely within the building. Overhead cranes are commonly used for material handling inside industrial facilities. The fifth type is gantry crane. A gantry crane looks similar to an overhead crane, but it is supported by legs that move on rail or wheels. These cranes are commonly used in shipyards, ports, container terminals, railway yards, and outdoor storage areas. They are ideal for handling very heavy equipment and shipping containers. The sixth type is the rough terrain crane. This crane is specially designed for off-road conditions. It has large rubber tires and excellent mobility on uneven ground. Rough terrain cranes are widely used in oil and gas projects, pipeline constructions, mining sites, and remote industrial locations. The seventh type is the truck mounted crane. This crane is mounted directly on a commercial truck. It combines transportations and lifting capabilities in one machine. Truck mounted cranes are commonly used for utility work, equipment installations, maintenance, and short duration lifting jobs. The eighth type is floating crane. Floating cranes are mounted on barges or ships. They are used for marine constructions, bridge constructions, offshore oil and gas projects, shipbuildings, and port operations. Whenever heavy lifting is required over water, floating cranes are often the best solutions. Now let's understand how to choose the right crane. Selecting the correct crane depends on several important factors: the weight of the load, the lifting height, the lifting radius, ground conditions, available working space, weather conditions, site access, and the nature of the lifting operations. Choosing the wrong crane can create serious safety risks and increase project cost. That is why every lifting operation should be properly planned before selecting a crane. Now let's discuss some common hazards associated with crane operations. Overloading the crane, operating on uneven ground, contact with overhead power lines, strong wind conditions, improper rigging, mechanical failure, poor communications, people standing beneath suspended loads, and operating without a proper lifting plan and permit. Each of these hazards has caused serious accidents in industries around the world. Now let's look at some important crane safety rules. Always use a certified crane. Ensure the crane operator is trained and authorized. Inspect the crane before each shift. Never exceed the crane's safe working load. Always follow the manufacturer load chart. Fully deploy outriggers before lifting. Keep people away from the suspended loads. Maintain clear communications between the crane operator and signalman. Never operate a crane during unsafe weather conditions, and always prepare and approve lifting plan before starting the operations. Finally, let's summarize today's lessons. A crane is a machine used to lift, lower, and move heavy loads safely and efficiently. Different industries use different types of cranes depending on the nature of the work. Today we learn about mobile cranes, crawler cranes, tower crane, overhead crane, gantry crane, rough terrain crane, truck mounted cranes, and floating cranes. Understanding the different types of cranes helps safety professionals, lifting supervisors, riggers, and crane operators select the right equipment and perform lifting operations safely. Always remember one important message: choosing the right crane is the first step toward a safe lifting operations. And here is golden rule every lifting professionals should remember. The right crane, the right plan, and the right team make every lift safer. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the HSE Coach for more professionals, health and safety environment training videos. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, work safe, and I will see you in the next video.